Hello everyone. So today we'll learn how you can move code lines in VS Code Editor. So if you're a beginner and following a traditional way of moving code lines up and down, then you have to stop doing it. The traditional way is to move a code line. You can do cut and you do paste here and then you adjust the code like this. So this is not the right way to move the code in VS Code Editor. Let me show you the right way. The right way is to use Alt plus up arrow key or down arrow key. For example, I want to move this line somewhere on the top. I can press Alt plus up arrow key. So you can see it is going up. In a similar way, I want to move it down. I need to press Alt plus down arrow key. So in case you want to move multiple lines up or down, you can select those lines like this, then Alt plus up arrow key and down arrow key. So that's the way to move code lines up and down in VS Code Editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.